The debtors module helps you to monitor unpaid invoices and record customer repayment. To access your debtors, navigate to inventory and select debtors. Yeah. Here you see a list of customers with outstanding balances. Tap on a customer's name to view their credit history, outstanding invoices, and payment details. Yeah, so when a customer makes a payment, open the relevant invoice and tap pay balance. Next, select the payment method and enter the amount received. The system records the payment and automatically reduce the customer's outstanding balance. And here you go.